Welcome to know about ClickFunnels Review 2020 to 37 diverse ClickFunnels business in a box templates. In fact, ClickFunnels provides you 37 unique templates that you should use in your online business. Beneath I've listed them in 10 various categories. Opt-in web pages, push web page, reverse sees web page, direct magnet, promo code. Pre-sale pages, survey website, shorter report website, pre-sale web page, ClickPop website page, product sales pages, movie clip sales web page, sales letter web page, solution introduce page, thanks web pages, thanks website, provide wall, bridge website, share page OTOs, upsells internet websites, downsells websites. Webinar web pages, webinar registration website, webinar verification web page, webinar broadcast area, webinar replay house, buy forms, to action get website, normal purchase website, video clip income letter buy site, income letter get web content, item introduce buy online page. Other web pages, software website, ask online page, retailer entrance, household page, hero online page, hangout online page, reside demo web content. Affiliate web pages, obtain entry to website, affiliate spot. Membership internet pages, accessibility web page, members space. The pre-performed templates are wholly personalizable, and what most consumers use. Click the link below in this video for more updates. It is possible to choose a template in ClickFunnels business in a box. Modify the elements you wish, and then you definitely are willing to offer. Moreover, you are able to link any funnel you would like to the email autoresponder that you'd like. If you select to do this, there is no use to utilize ClickFunnels autoresponder. And you can use the ClickFunnels business in a box inbuilt invoicing technique. Now I'd love to advise you that ClickFunnels gives really precious and simple to understand coaching movies to assist you to perform far better. I really endorse you using these films to understand due to the fact that they teach you how to use the software like an experienced. Thanks for watching this video.